The next person, your time.
There is any problem, no challenge. You are able to come to the crowd. Okay. 3 of the viewers are here. How long does it take you to accredit? How long does it take you to accredit? One second. How do you accredit? Do you use the finger or you use thumb? Okay. But if it is not working, how do you use it? Both are working. Thank you very much.
You want to use your phone? Yeah, use your phone. You can see.
What are you? Are you the supervisor? Are they still in unit? Yes. So why are they all here? Why are they in the same place? What's the purpose? I will have a lesson. Why are you here? Why are you in the same place?
We have one level size of officer. We are one
The essence of splitting it is to facilitate the process and then not don't have to have air congestion. So if all of you are there,
Why did you split it down?
actually came to this very polynomial
Sorry.
by the election.
okay, we'll come back. And well done. You can see yourself that the election is orderly. The election is also very efficient. The election is peaceful. And those are the indices of a good election. So far as the efficiency of the beavers is concerned, I am very satisfied because the beavers have worked effectively and efficiently. And from what I have taken from the assistant presiding officers, it takes about less than 5 seconds to even accredit a voter. And you can see from here there's large turnout. So meaning that a lot of people are becoming aware of the need to come and cast their votes. So far I can say that the election is well organized. The election is peaceful. From the calm atmosphere you have seen, you can see a lot of people here and they are conducting themselves well. And I learned that there are about 30 security personnel that are present here, and they are also conducting their affairs in an orderly manner. So we hope at the close of the poll, we'll have a very successful election.
Yeah, so this is a litmus test,
Yes.
at least for your administration.
Yes.
And outside here, we observed that some of the security personnel were molesting some journalists, including my humble self who is talking to you here.
No, I'm
When
only
we were pissed off,
aware.
what are you doing?
I'm only aware that there was one journalist that was arrested, and immediately we intervened. The CPS actually had to send some people. We spoke to the police, and the same person speaking to me was immediately released, unmolested. So, and I learned this because you were not able to present your identification on time. But we have taken every step, every measure to ensure that nobody is molested. Accredited journalists are not molested. Accredited observers are not molested. And they are granted access to places they are supposed to. We have not withdrawn any accreditation. So far, everything is going on. So if you are...
Finalists are leading to 2027.
Yes.
What should Nigerians expect? What are you telling Nigerians? What confidence, are you providing for Nigerians to believe in your administration and the process so far?
Well, I have talked about the beavers. If the beavers works very well, it will guarantee the integrity of the whole system. So if you are not accredited, you can't vote. When you are accredited, you can cast your vote. And beavers working effectively means that you can transmit your results.
All right, sir. There are areas that
Yes.
we know there are other polling units within the FCT,
Yes.
and you are getting updates on these areas.
Yes.
What are those reports you are getting from them, and what is
So
your
far,
message
we
to
have
Nigerians?
gotten very good reports from all the polling units. The atmosphere is very calm in all the polling units. The only area we had problem was in Abaji. And immediately, we deployed security men, and the ugly incident was tamed. And so voting has resumed.
there are areas
that got late
complain of
materials.
logistics, no
Yes.
table, no chairs.
And
Then
some
you have
other
other
All those
materials.
areas have been
Yeah.
addressed.
So it will affect the voting timing because of the late arrival of materials.
Materials did not arrive in only negligible number of polling units. So hopefully it's going to be sorted out. Majority of the polling unit, in fact, we got 99%, as at 10:30 of polling units that were open. So just a few polling units that could not open at 8:30. But we are still on top of it because we are monitoring it even at the situation room.
We wish you well, sir.
Thank you very much.
Beyond this voting,
Yes.
we are very soon we are expecting the commission of results counting and all of that declaration. What is your assurance to FCT residents that come out to vote in terms of the outcome of the election?
Well, what I know is that the voices of the Nigerian citizens will count this time around. And the beavers, as far as I'm concerned, is working well. The collation is going to go efficiently well. And from the collation and then the transmission of the results, you can be sure of a credible result.
Thank you very much.
sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir.
Identification time. But we have taken every step, every measure to ensure that nobody is molested. Accredited journalists are not molested. Accredited observers are not molested. And they are granted access to places they are supposed to. We have not withdrawn any accreditation. So far, everything is going on.
Finalists are leading to 2027. What should Nigerians expect? What are you telling Nigerians? What confidence, are you providing for Nigerians to believe in the administration and the process so far?
Well, I have talked about the beavers. The beavers works very well to guarantee the integrity of the whole system. So, if you are not accredited, when you are accredited, you can cast your votes. And beavers working effectively.
So there are areas that we have.
There are other polling units within the FCT, and you are getting updates on these areas. What are those reports you are getting from them, and what is your message to Nigerians?
We have gotten very good reports from all the polling units. The atmosphere is very calm in all the polling units. The only area we had problem was in Abaji. and immediately we deployed security, and the ugly incident was tamed, and so voting has resumed.
Sir, there are areas that complain of logistics, no table, no chairs. What is your response, sir?
All those areas have been addressed.
So it really affect the voting timing because of the late arrival materials.
Materials did not arrive in only negligible number of villages. So hopefully it's going to be sorted out. Majority of the polling units, in fact, we got 99%.